Olive oil daily. Shocking body transformation in 1 month. Have you ever wondered why the Mediterranean diet is so highly praised? The secret ingredient is often olive oil, a timeless elixir used for centuries. Incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to remarkable health benefits. Olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. From enhancing heart health to boosting brain function, its benefits are extensive. Understanding these can motivate you to make it a regular part of your diet. One of the standout features of olive oil is its high antioxidant content. These potent compounds fight oxidative stress, helping to protect your cells from damage. They play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Your heart will thank you for adding olive oil to your meals. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it helps reduce bad cholesterol levels and lowers the risk of heart disease. A heart-healthy diet is incomplete without this liquid gold. Olive oil also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate chronic inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including arthritis and metabolic syndrome. Regular consumption can contribute to a healthier, more balanced system. Olive oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. These properties are primarily due to its high content of oleic acid and antioxidants, which work together to alleviate chronic inflammation and promote overall well-being. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can aid in weight management. Its healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. This can support steady weight loss and maintain a healthy weight balance. Olive oil is beneficial for brain health, thanks to its rich supply of monounsaturated fats and polyphenol. These nutrients help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and improve cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The nourishing properties of olive oil extend to skin health. Its vitamins and antioxidants moisturize and repair the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Regular use can reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines, for a youthful glow. Olive oil aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing gastric acidity. This promotes smoother digestion and helps prevent issues like bloating and constipation, ensuring that your digestive system functions efficiently and comfortably. Olive oil is a powerful ally for your immune system. Its rich content of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats helps fortify your body's defenses. Regular consumption can enhance your ability to ward off illnesses and maintain overall health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can help regulate blood sugar levels. Its healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties improve insulin sensitivity. This makes it an excellent addition to the diet of those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it. Studies suggest that olive oil consumption may reduce the risk of stroke. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil support vascular health, decreasing the likelihood of blood clots. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your brain. Olive oil supports bone health by aiding calcium absorption and reducing inflammation. This is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Including olive oil in your diet can contribute to better skeletal strength over time. Using olive oil can also promote hair health. Its moisturizing properties help nourish the scalp, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair strands. Regular application can lead to shinier, healthier hair, making it a natural choice for hair care. Olive oil is a natural elixir that promotes hair health, offering deep conditioning and nourishment to the scalp. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it strengthens hair strands, reduces breakage, and adds a lustrous shine, making your hair look vibrant and healthy. Packed with monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients, olive oil contains heart-healthy fats that support overall wellness. These beneficial fats, unlike their saturated counterparts, help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of chronic diseases, ensuring a healthier lifestyle. Olive oil aids the body's detox process by supporting liver function and helping to eliminate toxins. Its natural compounds work synergistically to cleanse the system, enhancing overall health and vitality, and making you feel rejuvenated from within. Research suggests that olive oil can improve mood and mental health. Its anti-inflammatory properties and healthy fats contribute to brain function, potentially reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety and promoting emotional well-being and cognitive clarity. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet is simple and delicious. Drizzle it over salads, use it as a cooking oil, or mix it into dips. This versatile ingredient enhances flavor while providing numerous health benefits, making it a kitchen staple. I used to struggle with dry skin and low energy levels until I started taking a spoonful of olive oil daily. Within weeks, my skin felt smoother and my energy improved. It became a simple yet transformative addition to my routine. Experience the benefits for yourself. Try taking 1 spoon of olive oil daily for a month. Notice the positive changes in your health and well-being. It's an easy, natural way to enhance your lifestyle and vitality.